This is Gretchen Gregory with the Logan Daily News. Construction of the double roundabout is expected to finish up by mid-November. Crews started adding new pavement on Thursday, which caused one ramp to be shut down and traffic delays of 10 to 15 minutes in other places. The $5.4 million project is the first double roundabout project in Ohio. David Rose, spokesman for the Ohio Department of Transportation, is trying to teach drivers who haven't used a roundabout how to navigate through one.
A roundabout is actually very easy to use. Although the first time the drivers approach it, it may be a little confusing, especially if you've never been through a roundabout. It's very simple. As you approach a roundabout, you yield to traffic in the roundabout. You yield to your left. So you yield. Once you're in the roundabout, you have the right of way. No one stops in the middle roundabout. Sometimes that's how some accidents happen. People actually stop in the middle of the roundabout. Do not stop in the middle of the roundabout. You have the right of way. Just continue slowly on through. Find the route that you need and go on your way.